Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the order of questions on a Google form and how it's presented. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Google form and then select the question you want to move around. You should notice in the center of the prompt, the question, the drop box, whatever question you are looking to move. There should be a little six-dotted icon that will appear when you hover over it. Go ahead and with your left mouse cursor and just select it and then drag it to wherever else you want it on the form. Just drag it up or down, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.